We will be making this beautiful product today. You can see how clean, clear and thick it is. This is our foam booster, the one we usually buy in our shops for our liquid soap, and I'll be teaching you for free today. So to start up, these are some of the ingredients we need. Our sulfonic acid, our Texapon N90. We will need a clean bowl for mixing. We will also need a smaller one also for mixing. Our measuring cup, I'm using a 2-liter measuring cup. We will need our caustic soda flakes. You can use either flakes or pearls. Anyone you get, it will work. Just make sure it is pure, 99% purity caustic soda. So remember that caustic soda is highly alkaline with a pH of about 14, and it can easily hurt you. So before you do this, make sure you're wearing your gloves. So to start up, we are going to mix our caustic soda with water. Remember to always pour your caustic soda into your water and not your water and your caustic soda. So here the water we are using is 500 mils of water. We are going to pour our caustic soda into it. Remember, this is a hygroscopic reaction. It gives all caustic soda absorbs water from the um caustic soda is highly hygroscopic. It absorbs water from the atmosphere, and when you mix it with water, it is highly exothermic. It releases a lot of heat and fumes. Be careful not to inhale these fumes. Always do this in an open space. Okay, so I've already mixed my caustic soda and water to give me my light solution, which I keep aside. I am teaching you this for free. Oh, make sure you watch this video to the end. Make sure you subscribe. Oh, you will not go and buy foam booster in the market again, or to make your liquid soap or to make your car wash. So now this is my sulfonic acid. I'm getting 1 liter of my sulfonic acid. Okay, this sulfonic acid also um is a very strong acid. If you touch your hand, you will not like it. That's why I told you, wear your hand gloves. Wear your hand gloves. Okay. So now this sulfonic acid I'm going to pour into our bigger mixing bowl. Make sure you have your spatula close by, okay, so that you'll be able to scoop. So now this is our Texapon. Okay, I'm going to open up my Texapon and then mix it with my sulfonic acid. Okay, you can either pour the sulfonic acid in or the Texapon in first. Just as I'm going to do, I'm going to pour in my Texapon first. The Texapon I'm using is N90. You should use a good grade of Texapon. Okay, so now I'm going to make sure that everything goes into my mixing bowl before I'll now pour in my sulfonic acid, my 1 liter of sulfonic acid. I'll pour it and then gradually mix. Okay. Jama'a 'yan uwa Hausawa na za mu yi foam booster. Muna da caustic namu 160 grams, dari da mene 160 a Hausa, $506, $600 160 grams. Sulfonic namu lita ɗaya, Texapon namu lita ɗaya, ruwa namu lita 8. Za mu haɗa shi, ku duba ku ga yadda nake yi, ku yi shi daidai yadda na yi. Kuna ji ko? So I just finished mixing my Texapon and sulfonic. I had to fold back my hand and make sure I mix it thoroughly until it becomes white. Okay, it mixed well. So after that has happened, I'll now get my water. Remember, we have already used 500 mils of water for our caustic soda. So now I'm going to use 7.5 liters to mix this. So in all, we are using about 8 liters of water. Is it not so? So now I'm going to pour in my sulfonic acid and Texapon that I've already mixed. I'm going to pour it into my water. Okay, and as usual, my mixing wicks is close by you. My mixing wicks is close by. For my soap or even creams, any mixing at all, in short, the mixing wicks makes work easier for you. I'm going to thoroughly mix. I shortened this video. I mixed and mixed and mixed too. Okay. So, and as usual, don't forget subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me. Okay. If you're watching this on any of my social media handles, don't forget to follow me. Okay. So now I'm going to mix this thoroughly, as you can see. If you want to join any of our classes, we are always available. Chat me up on WhatsApp. So now I'm pouring in my caustic soda. I've poured in my caustic soda solution, mixed it up, covered it overnight, and this is the result after 24 hours. See the thickness now. Compare this to what you buy in the stores. Calculate and see. Calculate and see. This will give you almost about 10 liters. See the thickness. See the clarity. See the foaming ability. You're sure of the quality. Are you not glad you watched this video? If you know that you enjoyed this video, drop a useful comment, subscribe or follow us to encourage us so that I'll be able to bring out more beautiful videos for you. Thank you. So remember, you can use this product in your car wash, tile wash, toilet wash, liquid soap, even in your dishwash.